Welcome everyone. Are you looking for the best mini drones on the market? If so, you've come to the right place. We're here today to talk about the top 4 best mini drones that you can buy this year. These mini drones are perfect for anyone who wants to take their aerial photography to the next level. We'll go over each one's features and specifications and explain why they are the best choice for anyone who's looking for a reliable, high-quality drone. So let's get started. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight, foldable camera drone with amazing features and capabilities. The DJI also comes with the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, making it perfect for aerial photography, social media, and more. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media, and the gimbal rotates 90 degrees for high-quality images. With all of its amazing features and capabilities, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the perfect drone for all your aerial photography needs. Number 3. EXO Mini. The EXO Mini Professional 4K UHD long-range drone is truly a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use drone that lets you capture professional-grade photos and videos. With its impressive 5-mile range, 40-minute battery life, 4K camera, and 12-megapixel photo, you can easily take stunning shots in any setting. It also comes with a Follow Me feature, Return to Home, and 15+ one-tap smart features to make professional drone flying easier than ever. The drone also comes with free accessories, Part 107 course, a 1-year membership to EXO Premium, lifetime tech support, and EXO repair service. An excellent choice for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial shots and videos. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is an amazing drone for professionals, with its 43 complementary metal oxide semiconductor Hasselblad camera, 5.1K HD video, 46 minutes flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and 15-kilometer transmission range. Its intelligent RTH and advanced waypoint flight functions make it one of the most user-friendly drones on the market, and it comes with the DJI RC remote controller, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing, even in direct sunlight. If you're a professional looking for a drone that can deliver stunning aerial imagery, a Mavic 3 Classic is the perfect choice. Number 1. EVO Nano. The Autel Robotics EVO Nano series is an intelligent, super-sensing 4K camera drone with multiple color options. The drone is packed with a 48-megapixel camera, and the 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures that the footage is smooth and stable. It's also super light and ultra-compact at only 249 grams, making it easy to transport and store. The Autel Skylink video transmission system offers a transmission range of 6.2 miles. All in all, the Autel Robotics EVO Nano series is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable drone with lots of features.